Hey guys, I'm so excited to talk to you today about a new product line that we're carrying. Mark Roberts said this is like a collectible series that I'm going to show you, okay? Super cute, very elegant, traditional, all the things, and we're so excited about it. So if you open one of their boxes that the products come in, and this is like the little fairies. Their fairies are Santas, okay? This product line. Okay, so it says, why should I register my Mark Roberts collectible fairy or Santa? Registering your collectible numbered limited edition fairy or Santa benefits you by increasing the ultimate value of your purchase by registering your name as original purchaser, registers you to win free prizes, entitles you to a free Mark Roberts calendar gift whenever published. With 2 registrations within 2 years, you'll receive sneak preview catalogs of upcoming season's releases and other intangible benefits that come with a numbered limited edition collectible. And it has the number and the website on there. So when you purchase one of these, you need to register them, okay? Because that ups the value, which if you're familiar with them, you know why. Okay, these are a little bit more pricey, but they are beautiful, a beautiful line. So we're going to start with North Pole World's Fair Elf, and this is the small one, okay? It is $97.95, and it has so many details. The hands, and I don't know about these feet, but like they're delicate, okay? So you have to be careful. And this is a Santa. Well, it says elf, but to me it looks like a Santa in a way. Look at all the detail. Beautiful. I'm obsessed, guys. Add this to your Christmas list. It does have the little elf ears. This one's beautiful. $97.95. Up next, I'm trying to figure out which one's my favorite. I think this one. Yeah, this one's one of my favorites that I'm about to show you. North Pole Candy Cane Elf Small. This one is $93.95. So it has like the little elf Santa hat back here. Little beard. All the details. This one's fun. This is your traditional colors, which most of them are. Some are a little funky, but it has candy canes, elf feet, elf ears, and they do have like a little Mark Roberts tag. This one is very fun, and the beard feels real, okay? This one is $93.95. Up next, sorry, I was reading, I hadn't read this little tag. I might just show you guys it. This is Candy Dandy Elf Small. Oh, I do need to show y'all this. Okay, first I'm going to show him to you. Candy Dandy. This one is cute. Like, it's fun. This one's fun. Like I said, it's the Candy Dandy Elf Small. So they're all going to have these tags. This is how you register it, okay? And it tells you the name and the model number and like which number. 78 of 600. They only made 600 of this guy, okay? And you're gonna be one of the ones to get one. His little beard has like glitter in it, has blue shades. This one's fun. This one may be one of my favorites. It's cute and fun, okay? And $93.94. I'm getting glitter all over my table. My little boy's here. I apologize. So this is Whoville Fairy Small. This one's cute too. It has the glitter in the beard. And it has little fairy wings. Yeah. One of the ones I showed you that hadn't had wings yet. But this one has wings. They're wrapped up. I don't want to unwrap those. Has jewels hanging. Beautiful. Beautiful. And this one is number... Oh, they made a lot of this one. Or not a lot, but number 532 of 1,000. They made a lot of this one because, I mean, this one's cute. Cute. And then we have Kiss Me Under the Mistletoe. So this is a little fairy also. And look at their little toes. And then it has wings. And this one is 111 of 750. This one looks like a true little fairy to me, and it has all the details. Very pretty. And she is 90, let's see, 94.95. She's cute. This is another one of my favorites, which they're all beautiful, but Toast to Santa Fairy small. It's got a little toast glass, has the wings. This one's a fairy, and it has some blue tones to it, and it's just fun. It's different, and the little tassels, the beaded tassels, are beautiful. This one's $91.95, and let's see how many they made of these. 22 of 500. He's number 22. This particular one. Okay, y'all. This one, Mariposa Witch small. So this one's a witch I'm about to show you, so it's more Halloween fall. Y'all, this one is going to sell out so fast for our Halloween people. Let me move these guys out of the way. So this one you can see because the colors are a lot more vibrant. So it's got your purples, your pinks. Her little dress was fluffed up, or cape. And so it has like bat wings. But this one, you guys, she gonna sell out quick. Look at her little high heels, and here's the back. So many details. Well, let's see how many they made of this one. They only made 200. And this is number 141. So this one, this little lady, is $166.95. This is like, this has so much detail. But anyways, that is a look into our Mark Roberts line that we just got in. They're limited edition pieces. They're collectibles. So much good stuff from Mark Roberts. These are beautiful. There's so much detail. If you're a collector, definitely get you one of these, okay? Limited quantity on all of them. You need to register them because it adds to their value if you ever wanted to sell or anything like that. But anyways, yeah, so thanks for joining along with me today. Like I said, I'm sorry if my little boy was a little loud in the background. I'm home today, but I just had to show you these pieces. Thanks, guys.